Imagine waking up tomorrow with your room clean, your phone no longer controlling you, your goals finally written down, your mind quiet, your future clear. Impossible. Here's something crazy. According to psychology, your brain doesn't become motivated after action. It becomes motivated because of action. That means you don't need a new year. You don't need Monday. You don't even need motivation. You only need one day, not to fix your entire life, but to permanently change its direction. And by the end of this video, you'll have a science-backed system that can make tomorrow the day your old life officially ends. Part 1. The myth. Most people try to change everything. Gym, diet, reading, meditation, business, cold showers, sleep. After 2 days, they're back to binge-watching YouTube shorts at 2 a.m. Why? Because your brain hates huge identity changes. Psychologists call this cognitive overload. When the brain feels overwhelmed, it protects itself by doing absolutely nothing. Your enemy isn't laziness, it's too many decisions. Part 2. The reset day. Instead, create what psychologists call a reset day. One single day where your only mission is to remove friction from tomorrow. Here's the rule. Rule 1. Clean your room. Not because your parents told you, because Princeton researchers found visual clutter competes for your attention, reducing focus. A messy room creates a messy mind. Rule 2. Delete distractions. Instagram, TikTok, games. Not forever, just for 24 hours. Think about Tyler Durden. He didn't become dangerous by buying new things. He became dangerous when he stopped needing them. Rule 3. Write tomorrow before tomorrow exists. Take one sheet of paper. Write only 3 important tasks. Not 10, not 20, just 3. L from Death Note never wins because he works harder. He wins because he knows exactly what matters. Rule 4. Move your body, even 20 minutes, walking, push-ups, stretching. Science shows exercise immediately boosts dopamine and executive function, making future decisions easier. That's why guts keeps moving. Even after losing everything, motion creates momentum. Part 3. The challenge. Here's your challenge for the next 24 hours. Become unavailable to your old self. No endless scrolling, no excuses, no, I'll start tomorrow. Just complete these 4 rules. That's it. Because here's the secret. You don't change your life by making one giant decision. You change it by making tomorrow easier than today. Ending. Most people think discipline starts with motivation. It doesn't. It starts with removing chaos. And if you can master your environment, you'll eventually master yourself. But fixing your life isn't enough, because sooner or later, someone will test your emotions, stress, insults, failure, manipulation. If you can't stay calm, everything you built can disappear in minutes. So before you leave, watch Master Emotional Silence. That video will teach you how to become the kind of person that nobody can manipulate, even on your worst day. Click it now. Your future self will thank you.